Poopy dog. Yeah. Okay, you can turn off the camcorder now.
I don't have one on. I'm just watching something.
Uh-huh.
I don't.
What you watching over there?
Netflix.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I'm
No,
watching
you're not.
Netflix.
You're a fucking liar.
I'm watching Netflix.
Yeah, right.
I'm about to start Stranger Things Season 3.
Fucking liar.
No, I'm not lying.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Nah.
I know you're recording me.
I'm not recording.
And that is a bullshit fucking lie. Turn that phone around here.
No, I'm good.
Buzz the bitch.
I'm not recording you. I'm recording the dog.
No.
See?
Really? Really now?
Hey, Doug, come here.
Busy.
That was evidence of an assault. She hit me with a piece of gum or something.
It was a fucking cough drop
A
wrapper.
cough drop wrapper. You heard it.
So it was a biological weapon.
You shut the fuck up before I go in there and chop your little penis off with your damn clippers.
Dun, dun, dun.
Really?
You haven't
Turn it
even
off.
seen it yet, so
You're gonna show it to Will. I know you. I'm gonna take my call now. Eeyore.
Hey, Doug.
I'm gonna be assault with a bottle here in a damn minute.
Well, I got it recorded, so they'll know.
Shit. Oh, Taco needs to hurry. Eeyore. Hey, are you still alive?
no.
Lilas. So I thought you were putting me in a corner.
Looks like you're in one.
I might be in the corner of a cabinet. Yeah.
I can't force you to go to bed. You're not one of your kids.
Eeyore, donkey.
We could always just give you one of their pills, though. Put you down real quick. That's bad for you, though. Very, very bad for you. Yes, it is.
Didn't keep showing, did you?
Actually did. Showed something hit the screen and wobble. So,
It was the dog that threw it.
tell them that in court.
Moxie. Moxie.
Yeah, I sound like a damn cat.
Right. Is that the reason why all the pussies come right after you?
Yep.
Really? So what'd you think of that Mountain Dew tonight?
It was good. It was really good. What'd you think of it?
I loved it. Dog, what's on your ear? No, honestly, turn that off. I got something to talk to you about.